I know some people in my community who do not have mezuzot on their doorposts. Some of them put it behind the door because they seem afraid of anti-Semitism. How can I convince them to get mezuzot? Can they start with putting it in the front door? Is this enough spiritual protection for the home and the family? As far as having mezuzot, they have to have mezuzot. If they want to put it on the inside part of their door, but still on the mashkof, there's no problem. They can put it on the inside part of the door. It doesn't have to be on the outside part of the door. It just needs to be on the mashkof. But if they don't have it at all, then that's certainly a problem. Can they start by putting one mezuzah instead of putting 5 or 10 mezuzot like they need if they have that many rooms? Sure, they can start with one, but it's they certainly need more. So I mean, it's one is better than 0, but it's still not enough. We can't pretend like it's fulfilling the obligation. The obligation is to put a mezuzah on every door in your house, aside from places that like the bathroom or the bath or closets, but every door and requires a mezuzah.